Alright, today we're going to be replacing the frames and wheels on my FR2 skates right here. They're the original 80 millimeters that came with the skates. And we're replacing it with the Endless 90 ES Enhanced Stability frames, which are just a little bit longer than the original Endless 90s. And we're going to put in these 90 millimeter Rollerblade hydrogen wheels. And these are the bearings that we're going to use. These are the Rollerblade ILQ-9 Pros. And this is the bearing press that's going to be used to install the bearings into the wheels. Here we go. These frames are 90 millimeter rockered frames, and you can either put in 4 90 millimeter wheels right here, 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 and here, or 3 110 millimeter ones here, here, and here. And if you put in 3 wheels, it's a flat setup, and if you put in 4 wheels, the 490s, it's rockered, which means that the front and the back, this is the front, and the back are slightly raised to give you better maneuverability. First, we're going to take off the original wheels so we can remove the frame. We'll be reusing the original frame bolts since the new ones didn't include any. Alright, the frames are both removed and the old frames are both removed, I mean. Now we're going to put the new ones on. The boot has a 7-hole plate. I'm going to start by mounting it in the back, right in the middle, and see how it feels, and then adjust if I need to later. Right. Alright, both frames are now in. Now we're going to put the new bearings in the new wheels. I'm going to take a bearing and two bearings and one spacer per wheel. To use the bearing press, we're going to first put in the bearing. The seals, which is this orange part, is going to be on the outside. So we're going to put this down first. Next we put the wheel. And then the spacer. And that other bearing. Line it all up. And then just give this a push. Now it's all in. It's very easy. And to remove it with this bearing press, to remove the bearing, what you do is you see this little hook right here. You put the bearing in and let it rest on the hook and push down on it, and it'll pull it out like this. So I'm gonna put it back in, put the spacer in, the bearing. All right. And just repeat this for all 8 wheels. All right, all the wheels are in. Now we just need to install them back into the frames. The frames come with the 8 frame bolts. That's it. It's all installed, ready to go. Have to try them out soon. Thanks for watching.